Okay, it's Tuesday the 28th of December 2021 and we're doing an update on what's going on in the street with the houses. Demolition update, what we could call it. And this is the house across the road, you can see. Certainly different to what it used to be. And going along, the next house across the road. These two houses have been built in recent months. Actually, it's taken quite a long while to complete. But here we go. That's what they look like. Just walking along and having a look at them. And as we turn, you'll see the palace there, which has been around for quite a while. And we'll just go over to that now. That's the palace. That was built, I think, a year or so back, a couple of years. Hasn't been around that long. So there we have that there. And everything else is, well, bit by bit they've been changing. There's more demolition going up the other way. They seem to be pulling houses down quite regularly now. So we'll go up this way and I'll show you a little bit over here. Another house has been ripped down. I don't know whether there's anything left of it. Maybe all gone by now, but let's go up and have a look. Just across the road over there, you can see the wire fencing. What we're going to do is find out what's going on there. I haven't actually looked much there. Here we go. There's, oh yeah, I think it's all gone. We'll go and have a closer look. It's all empty. The house that was here was a brick home, quite a nice brick home, and now it's gone. As you can see through the wire there, nothing there. So that's that. Anyway, that's our latest update, so I hope you enjoyed that.